stay. No plans, no map, just running late. Sun is hanging low and gold. Got a feeling I was never told. Phone is dead, I don't care at all. The working way, I'm not taking calls. And the way I used to carry, finally feels a little lighter now. Something in the way I'm moving, never knew I could be this loud. Free my head, free my head. Let it float above the noise instead. All the things I thought I needed turn to dust the moment I conceded. Free my head, free my head. Paving, humming underneath every crack, a brand new beat. Used to stress about the time, now I'm counting every white line. Mirror shows a different face, someone who forgot the race. And the way